Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have recently designed a better autonomy patrol web app that users should user can add the drone and they can schedule the patrolling and see on analytics data related to autonomy drone patrolling in the main via dashboard where uh, let's go through the screen that I have designed. Let's see the dashboard, the main dashboard where I put the location on the top. The human admin can say see all the drones and the full station uh, in the map. Here see the analytics data is related to all the drone flights and scheduled flights and all the details. Let me preview this the screen. Yeah. So here is the page for the prototype preview. Here you can create the new missions and here is the real-time effect monitoring the drawn detail. Here is the I listed the three dawns, uh, uh, three dawn initially. Docking station here you can see the docking station related details and previous patrolling histories and stuff. If the main concept is this uh, and autonomously detect the suspicious activity without the person interference. Parents, here is here user can see the suspicious activities related to like boundary violations and some of the stealing the some of the fightings because that are auto detected by the AI. Let's move on to other screen that have designed it especially for the drone. Sorry, I forgot to one screen. That you can see the. Let me change this active state to city and route. Yeah, okay. While user click on the city and the routes, that can redirect to the screen. Yeah. So website is in house 300 seconds and yes, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, this screen might be designed for capturing the live footage of the drone for real time. When someone click on this card's view of the drone and they redirect to the this detail screen of the drone. Let me check it is linked. No, it is not linked. Let me just link to this screen. Yeah, so it's done. Here is the spacing issue. Just a minute. We go. here is the city where they draw all the real footage of the drone. I'm thinking that we can add the left side navigation where user can see the see all the cities and if by someone click on that cities and they can see the all state domain and right side they can see the real-time monitoring of the drone and someone click on this here user can see the all details related to the drone and docking stations and here mainly screen design for drone patrolling. Uh, I have tried to keep the visual more priority if a user can see all real-time footage without the disturb the other details. Here you can see the altitude, bearing, and speeds and the graphs, and here you can see all the details about the drones, cameras, and areas, image coverage, and related to the drone that are capturing. Related to the MJX drone, here you can see the battery, speeds, lens, flight time, ISOs, and height, shutter speed, zone, rates, all the data related to drone. Here you can see that simply clicking on this. And here you can change the mode when if you want to this make it automatic, then it is automatic mode when